Dear students, first of all, I'd like to thank you for attending this class, online class, and I also hope that you are in good health during this corona situation. Okay, I'd like to invite you to attend the class on the rules of right form of verbs. You know that there are a lot of rules of right form of verbs, and I will just discuss the few ones. Okay, let's see what are the rules. First of all, I'd like to talk about the universal truth or habitual fact. As you know, universal truth or habitual fact, that means in Bangla চিরন্তন সত্য অথবা অভ্যাসগত বিষয় এগুলো থাকলে আমরা সাধারণত usually we use present simple present tense, and the structure is the subject plus verb, and there will be s or es with the verb plus object. This is the structure. Okay, let me show you the example. Number one, the universal truth: the earth moves around the sun. Look at the s. Normal verb is move, but because of universal truth, and we have used s with the verb, the earth moves around the sun. Next example: she goes to school every day. Every day, you see, it is a habitual fact. So whenever something occurs habitually, we take present indefinite tense. So we have used es with the verb. She goes to school every day. Okay, I think you have understood. Now let me come to rule number 2. There are a lot of rules, as I told you earlier, but these 3 rules are very important for understanding right form of verbs. Students usually make mistake regarding these rules. So let me talk about this. Number 2, if plus present plus future. If the sentence starts with if, and after this we use present tense, then next comes future tense. The structure is if plus present plus future. Let me show you the example. If you work hard, present tense, you will succeed. If you work hard, you will succeed. The first one is present tense, if plus present, then comes future tense, you will succeed. যদি তুমি কঠোর শ্রম করো, তুমি সফল হবে। Next example B, if you come, present tense, I will help you, future tense. That means যদি তুমি আসো, আমি তোমাকে সাহায্য করব, if plus present plus future. If you come, I will help you. I think you have understood. Okay, next one is if plus past tense plus past conditional. Past conditional, if you don't understand, that means in simple, would or might plus verb. Would or might plus verb is called past conditional, and we can also use could. So if plus past tense plus past conditional, that means would or might or could plus verb. Okay, let me show you the example number A. If you came, I would help you. This would plus help base verb, this is called past conditional. This is called past conditional. So dear learners, look at this example once again. If you came, past tense, I would help you. This means past conditional. Next one, if they worked, past tense, if they worked, they would succeed. They would succeed. Would plus verb, this is past conditional. We have got 2 examples of if plus past conditional. Number 1, if you came, I would help you. If they worked, they would succeed. I think this is clear to you. Okay. Next, let's come to rule number 4. If plus past perfect. You know the past perfect tense, had plus subject verb past participle. If plus past perfect plus perfect conditional. This was, and the earlier one was the past conditional. Here we use perfect conditional. That means would have would have, might have plus past participle of the verb. This is the perfect conditional. The example is, if you had studied. If you had studied, this is past perfect tense, had studied. So there comes perfect conditional. You would have succeeded. As I told you, would have or might have plus past participle of the verb. This is called perfect conditional. Here you will find, if you had studied, past perfect tense, and you would have succeeded. This is perfect conditional. Again I will tell you, if you had studied, you would have succeeded. This is if plus perfect tense, past perfect tense plus perfect conditional. Next example, I think you will understand now. If you had come, again if plus perfect tense, past perfect tense. If you had come, I would have helped you. Again, if plus past perfect tense plus perfect conditional. So I think you have understood. So far I have discussed the rules of right form of verbs, and in the next class I will come with the next topic, and if you have any query regarding right form verbs, okay, just comment on the class and we will try to prepare next class on such kind of topic. Okay, thank you very much. See you.